The Burj Khalifa, an iconic symbol of Dubai's architectural prowess and innovation, stands as the world's tallest building and an unparalleled marvel of modern engineering. Rising majestically in the heart of the city, this towering skyscraper offers visitors a multifaceted experience that encompasses breathtaking views, artistic expression, and cultural significance. At the forefront of the Burj Khalifa's allure is its observation decks, at the top and at the top sky. These observation points offer panoramic vistas of Dubai's sprawling urban landscape, sweeping deserts, and the Arabian Gulf's glistening waters. The view, particularly during sunset or twilight, transforms the cityscape into a dazzling sea of lights that stretches as far as the eye can see. The Burj Khalifa's architectural splendor extends to its design, which draws inspiration from Islamic geometry and traditional Middle Eastern motifs. The tower's sleek lines, glass facade, and elegant silhouette create a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and cultural influences. For art enthusiasts, the Burj Khalifa is home to the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system. The fountain's captivating water dances, set to an array of music genres, create a mesmerizing spectacle against the backdrop of the tower and the surrounding Burj Lake. The Burj Khalifa's immersive experiences include interactive displays that provide insights into the tower's construction and the city's evolution. The multimedia journey allows visitors to appreciate the monumental effort and technological innovation that went into creating this architectural masterpiece. Dining at the Burj Khalifa is an equally exceptional experience. Atmosphere, located on the 122nd floor, offers fine dining with spectacular views, making it one of the highest restaurants in the world. The floor-to-ceiling windows provide an extraordinary backdrop for enjoying gourmet cuisine and a selection of beverages. The Burj Khalifa's New Year's Eve celebrations have become legendary, with a breathtaking display of fireworks and light shows that illuminate the Dubai skyline. The event attracts visitors from around the globe who gather to witness this unparalleled spectacle. Beyond its physical presence, the Burj Khalifa's role in Dubai's narrative symbolizes the city's ambition, vision, and determination. It serves as a testament to Dubai's evolution from a desert landscape to a global hub of commerce, culture, and innovation. In essence, the Burj Khalifa offers an extraordinary journey that transcends architecture to become a reflection of Dubai's spirit and ambition. Whether it's marveling at the breathtaking views, savoring gourmet cuisine, embracing artistic expressions, or simply basking in the tower's magnificence, the Burj Khalifa invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Dubai's towering achievements.